Hello guys, have you ever wondered how sperm is produced in the male body and how it combines with different fluids from semen? Today we will understand this entire process in a very simple and easy way so that you can clearly grasp the concept.
Sperm is produced in the testes, which are located inside a pouch called the scrotum. Inside the testes, there are very tiny tubes known as seminiferous tubules, and this is where the process of sperm production begins. This process is called spermatogenesis, and it usually takes around 64 to 72 days to complete. During this time, the hormone testosterone plays a very important role in the development and formation of sperm. Once the sperm are formed, they move to a structure called the epididymis, where they are stored and become mature and stronger. Now, the important part is that sperm do not leave the body alone. They mix with different fluids to form semen. First, the seminal vesicles produce a yellowish thick fluid that contains fructose, which provides energy to the sperm. Then the prostate gland releases a milky white fluid that helps protect the sperm and keeps them active. After that, the bulbourethral or Cowper's gland produces a clear, sticky fluid that lubricates and cleans the passage. When all these fluids mix with sperm, they form a combined fluid known as semen. This mixture then travels through a tube called the vas deferens and is finally released from the body during ejaculation. This entire process happens in a very well-coordinated manner inside the body.
So guys, now you understand how sperm is produced and how it is combined with different fluid to form semen. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such information in videos. Thank you so much.